So right now we're in the car, as you can see. We're heading up to hike Mount Wiley today. I know this one is a very controversial mountain to hike because everyone's like, is it Willie? Is it Wiley? Nobody knows, dude. Nobody knows. So we're gonna hike it. Alright, we're starting up the Keatron Flume Trail. Probably saying it wrong. It is cold as hell right now. It's supposed to be upper 30s today. A little windy, beautiful skies. It's actually snowing and it's windy. My hands hurt, but yeah, we're starting now. It is 10:15. All right, let's go. Gonna cross the railroad tracks. 15 minutes, y'all. Jess has already been talking about turning around. It is 11:35. We just made it to the junction here. The big junction here. It's 11:50 and we just reached the other junction. Must be getting close to the ladders is my thought. Just made it to the stairs, to the ladders. Back to the Ethan Pond Junction, and it's 3:16. We left the top of that